Yeah.
Okay. Hello, everyone. This is the demo for week 5 of the second work cycle of the Noh Theater project. Today, I'm gonna demo 3 features we have been working this past week. The first one is one feature we have discussed about a lot of times, but it was technically really hard to do. But the good news is that once we were able to tackle and have it done, we can actually reuse it. And that is the draggable timeline indicator. So right now, if you click on play, and then the main video starts playing, we know that this time indicator advances according to the actual progress of the video. But now you can also just drag it, and then the video will see to that specific point in time. And all the synchronicity will be kept just in place. You can even drag it and drop it while it plays. It takes a time just for seeking into the actual video, and then it repositions itself automatically. There are some aesthetics issues because the time indicator now needs to be draggable. There are some limitations on the CSS. So we cannot make both at the same time the timeline indicator draggable and then these blocks be reactive on the mouse hover. So we made the indicator to be behind the blocks, so the tooltips are still displayed when mouse hovering them. The second feature is fixing the scores in which there is no meter bits, it's only dialogue. We agreed on using a keyword. That keyword is unmetered, and it's marking the end of the text that is being represented at that specific time range. When you add the word unmetered to the line of bits in the spreadsheets, it will render like this. You have the line beat, and then you have just a meter there. I also fixed a couple of things with the encoding. If you see line 16, this phrase of the score is not working because the text is not in the right line for the text. And then the markers for ending and starting are not correct. So I just fixed this one to see that the approach, it was working, and it is working. The third thing that we did, I need to change something real quick to be able to show it, is that we added a time indicator, the same one that is coming from this level 1 of play is now also applied to the section level. We decided to place it here. This is still non-functional, but this progress is only representing the duration of the section and not the duration of the entire play. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.
And Juan Pablo, were you going to show some design elements?
Yeah. So we're not stopping the recording, right?
We're continuing to record.
Okay. So on screen, and the other, I think, great advance that we did last week was to have finally a design for the website of the Noh Theater, which is so-called between us, the level 0, as the level 1 and 2 are the plays and the section 1s. And finally, we decided to agree with a color palette, which is similar to the one that they have in the website now, but just differently. And so this will be the homepage with a smaller text than the PIs provided, since we are going to distribute text in a different way to make it more friendly. And also we added these 3 links to the 3 main sections of the website, which are intermedia, the place and the elements of Noh, which are here. Going to these sections, we have an example of which will be a page of the second level of navigation, which in this case would be music, with the links of the elements of music that we have. In this case, voices, Otsumi, Kotsusubi, Taiko, and Nokan. And this will be the third level when we are inside one of these levels. This is very similar to the wireframe that we introduced last week, but with the final colors applied, with more attention, paying more attention to the typography and to have everything integrated. And this will be the look of the filters that we agreed to have in the different sections. In this case, will be the catalog of Shodan, or the catalog of sections. And so this will be basically the design of the new filters. So just to sum up, I think this was the progress of the last week. Thank you.